Cerakote coatings are widely used in the automotive, aerospace, and manufacturing industries. And yes, also in the firearms industry, where they are applied to a variety of weapons for enhanced durability. This advanced ceramic-based coating forms a thin, protective layer that is highly resistant to wear, corrosion, and extreme conditions. It improves the strength and longevity of metal and polymer components, making them significantly more durable. Right now, this part is not yet finished. It will be placed in an oven, heated at a precise temperature for several hours. This curing process enhances the coating's performance, ensuring maximum protection. Once cooled, it's ready to be delivered to the client, stronger, tougher, and built to last.